think Shikhar Dhawan will end up winning the Orange Cap this season. Gabbar was already topping the list before the IPL got suspended, and I think he'll propel well in UAE as well.
Shikhar Dhawan is not in a good headspace right now, and I think he may drop off. KL Rahul is in a very positive mind after the England series.
So Orange Cap winner will be KL Rahul.
My choice for Orange Cap is Shikhar Dhawan.
So Orange Cap, Faf du Plessis.
So according to me, it's gonna be KL Rahul for the Orange Cap this season.
Orange Cap KL Rahul because of his fantastic form in IPL, and he has also got to prove himself before the World Cup. So KL Rahul for Orange Cap.
KL Rahul will win the Orange Cap again, just like he did in the last season.
So first one is Orange Cap is going to be KL Rahul definitely.
My Orange Cap is Shikhar Dhawan.
I think the Orange Cap of IPL 2021 will be Kane Williamson.
Orange Cap this season, Prithvi Shaw.
Orange Cap winner, Prithvi Shaw.
Orange Cap, KL Rahul.
I have 2 places.
Orange Cap for Namma Bengaluru Hudga, KL Rahul. He's in top form, quality player. He's definitely my favorite to win the Orange Cap.
Orange Cap, AB de Villiers.
Orange Cap जाएगा शिखर धवन को, गब्बर को जाएगा अपने.
Cap has to be between Shikhar Dhawan and KL Rahul. I'll go for Shikhar Dhawan because he has that extra incentive to prove after being left out of the World Cup side.
RCB's Harshal Patel can win the purple cap. He'll continue leaking runs in UAE, but he'll also get the important wickets.
Harshal Patel and Avesh Khan surprised everyone when they took the first 2 spots in the wickets column. But coming to the Emirates, it is more like a home ground for Rashid Khan. So I guess he will take home the purple cap for this season.
And purple cap winner will be Harshal Patel.
Then for purple cap is Harshal Patel.
Purple cap, Harshal Patel.
So mind says Harshal Patel, but I don't know, heart says Rahul Chahar.
Purple Cap Rashid Khan.
Purple Cap will be won by Harshal Patel in my opinion. He's had a really good phase 1.
Purple Cap, I think it will be Harshal Patel.
Purple Cap, there's tie between Morris and Chahar, but I will go with Morris.
I think the Purple Cap of IPL 2021 will be Rashid Khan.
Purple Cap, surprising pick, Chris Morris.
Purple Cap winner, Harshal Patel.
Purple Cap, Rahul Chahar.
Rahul Chahar.
For the purple cap, I think Harshal Patel might just be able to keep his lead. Has a lot more wickets than other top bowlers like Rabada and Bumrah. So my prediction is Harshal Patel.
Purple Cap, Harshal Patel.
पर्पल कैप हर्षल पटेल ही रहेंगे पर्पल कैप के विनर, अभी भी अच्छे लीड में.
I'm expecting Avesh Khan to leapfrog Harshal Patel and win the purple cap.
CSK's Faf du Plessis will end up as the MVP for this season. I think CSK are going to win the league this time around, and Faf du Plessis will play a very important role in it.
For the MVP, it is the toss-up between Jadeja and Moin. The 2 CSK guys are right on top in that MVP standings, and I guess Jadeja will trump Moin.
And MVP player will be Ravindra Jadeja.
Then next question is most valuable player for IPL 2021. My best bet is Ravindra Jadeja.
MVP Shikhar Dhawan or Moeen Ali.
MVP Ravindra Jadeja. Man, Jaddu.
MVP of IPL 2021, Ravindra Jadeja.
2021 IPL MVP will go to Shikhar Dhawan.
MVP is going to be tight between Jaddu and Moeen Ali.
My MVP is Glenn Maxwell.
I think the MVP of IPL 2021 will be Kagiso Rabada.
MVP, Moeen Ali.
MVP of 2021 IPL, Harshal Patel.
Most valuable player, Kieron Pollard.
Moeen Ali.
For MVP, I think it's Jasprit Bumrah.
Most valuable player, de Villiers.
MVP is going to be AB de Villiers, Mr. 360.
My MVP would be Sir Ravindra Jadeja.
The two finalists for me will be DC and CSK. And I think CSK are going to win the IPL this season. I think one last chance for my buy.
Once into the playoffs, it is anyone's game. So I'll do a very wild one for this one. So we know Delhi is going to be the one team in the final. The second team, I think Sunrisers Hyderabad. I know they're still at the bottom, but once they make it to the top 4, they are unstoppable.
And two finalists will be CSK and RCB.
Two finalists for this season, CSK, and second will be Royal Challengers Bangalore.
And then finalist either RCB and DC or RCB and MI.
Two finalists. It's going to be Chennai Super Kings and RCB. I think.
Two finalists for the season. CSK versus RCB.
The two finalists will be Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bangalore in the 2021 IPL.
Finalist, I think it will be CSK versus DC.
Two finalists, Chennai Super Kings and Delhi Capitals.
I think the finalists of IPL 2021 will be SRH versus RCB.
My two finalists for the season would be MI and RCB.
IPL 2021 finalist RCB and MI.
The two finalists Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings.
Chennai versus Delhi.
My two finalists will be RCB and Delhi Capitals.
Chennai and Bangalore.
My two finalists will be Chennai Super Kings and Royal Challengers Bangalore.
The two finalists for me would be RCB and Delhi Capitals.
I think CSK are going to win the league this time around, and Fab du Plessis will play a very important role in it.
I think this is the best chance for this team. They're already on top, and with Shreyas Iyer coming back into the squad, I guess it is their time to take the trophy, and then we should play the Dutch and win IPL 2021.
And the champion will be RCB. Let's see.
And the champion for IPL 2021 will be CSK. Obvious job.
And although I want RCB to win, and if it's RCB and DC, then RCB.
Champions, you said, and I heard Chennai Super Kings.
Winner of the IPL, CSK, Chennai Super Kings.
And the Royal Challengers Bangalore will win the IPL for the first time.
And I think DC has a great chance.
And my champion will be Delhi Capitals.
And I think the champions of IPL 2021 will be SRH. Thank you.
And this year's champions, RCB. Isala Cup now.
IPL 2021 winner RCB.
And the winner would be without a doubt Mumbai Indians.
And it will be Isala Cup number and RCB will take home.
Chennai.
My winner for 2021 IPL is going to be Royal Challengers Bangalore. Isala Pakka.
Virat Kohli and Royal Challengers Bangalore to lift their first IPL title.